Hello friends, welcome to today's discussion by FinLiterate of Nifty and Bank Nifty. Let's discuss how the markets performed and a few important stocks which are looking good. So starting with our discussion, so today even though market looks like it went up and closed at green, only the traders who have been trading would know that market exactly was not as per what they wanted and it was actually very volatile. So as to say here that Nifty has crossed 15,900 again, and we can see levels of 16,360 if it sustains above 15,900. But on a 5-minute time frame, let's see what happened. So if you see, Nifty opened a little gap down. It tried to break 15,900, it couldn't. It again came down and then finally went up. So whoever would have been maybe starting to go long here would have had stop losses here, and then whoever went, short below this would have been hit stop loss on the upper side. So ideally a very volatile day, I would say. One up, then coming down, then again going up, coming down, and then finally going up. So ideally a volatile day, so stop losses would have triggered, but good thing is Nifty closed above 5,900, so we can see levels of around 16,360. So for tomorrow, a good support is around 15,950, 960. Anything near that can be a good buying opportunity with stop loss below 15,900 for targets of around 1630, 1650. And if Nifty opens above this, then we can see targets of around 16,130, 150. So these are the levels for Nifty. On Bank Nifty, if I say same thing, it was a very volatile day. It went up, came down, and again went up. So ideally, anything near, I would say, 33,100 is a good zone to buy, and we can see levels of around 33,500 in the short term. Above 33,500 we can see 34,000 also. So these are the gaps which are yet to be filled. So this gap is one which can be filled if it closes above 33,500. So these are my view on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Few stocks which were discussed yesterday. Britannia is still looking very weak. Today's market recovery didn't do much. Only about 33.60 I would be a buyer. Otherwise I would not buy till it closes about 33.60. Bharti has done very well. 670, as I'm saying, good support. Please don't miss this. 640, 630 can be a stop loss for a medium term, but we can see levels of 750 in the long run, and anything above that can lead to new 52-week highs. State Bank of India looking weak. 440 is a good resistance. So I would say anything above 467 only can be a good buy. Around 467, 470 can be a good short position for retracement, and we can keep stop loss above 470 for covering up. Next stock, Infosys. As I had said, IT pack looks better than others. So banks look a little weak, but IT is doing well. So Infosys was up 2.5% today and made a high of around 1800 and closed near 1780. Looking good. I would see that anything above this levels, ideally 1790, 1800 levels can give room to 1850. So keep 1800 above close on your watch list. TCS same way, 3380 was a good buy. Today we saw a good up move of around 3.5%. So this swing high has been taken out. So I would say next level is somewhere near 3660 to 3700. So this is gap which can be covered. So looks good if you get somewhere near 3570, 3550 levels. For longs at around 3670, 3700. And last is Divi's Lab. 3900 is a good stop loss for a medium term because it is a 1 year old, I would say support. So if it takes 3900 can be a good stop loss for longs and targets of around 4300 and 4500. So keep these stocks on your watch list from short to medium term. And our view on Nifty and Bank Nifty are pretty much same. War is still not over. US has been trying to help Ukraine now again. So that is something which can again lead to volatility and Russia taking some, severe actions. So keep following news and keep your position sizing small and strict stop loss in the system. and play level to level. That's all I would say.